We are headed to Cabo San Lucas this morning. We're so excited to head to perfect, beautiful sunshine, see some whales, go snorkeling, go ziplining, do all kinds of fun things. Christmas was just a few days ago, and so now we're headed to sunshine, and we're so excited.
Yes, let's get on the road.
Made it through security, and one of the things we love about SFO, they have these fancy water dispensers where you like touch next to it. Carrie is using a chilled water. They also have hot water. Lindsay has a chilled one over there. They have room temperature as well.
All right, so we're boarding our plane in about 10-15 minutes. On Alaska Airlines, they have meals that you can pre-purchase, and they're just like little bento boxes, and we've gotten them several times. Last time they were not good at all. They were like really dry in some spots and soggy in other spots. And then they have like some different cheeses. The kids don't like any of that stuff. So last time we flew, I got a bunch of snacks. I just did a Target pickup, and we got like salami and cheese sticks and crackers and hummus and like little individual guacamoles with chips. And I'm always thinking they might take it away at security, a little bag of ice, which I'm going to throw away soon, keep it cold. And I got all this at Target pickup for less than $40, which it would have been $10 each for us to have a meal. So I feel like it's a good way to go, is just have like a little Target bag, everything get thrown away, and we have food that we like.
And there's also some little fresh mozzarella balls with tomatoes with eggs. I really like it.
For our bougie child.
Well, usually this one's our bougie child.
Oh, she likes the pepper jack. We also brought this, which is from our friends in Hawaii. They sent that to us, and this is going to be a delicious snack. Can you believe we still have some left?
Oh, did you bring the chocolate-covered pineapple gummy bears?
I did not, because I was afraid we wouldn't finish them all, and I didn't want to have to throw them away, because since we're going into Mexico, you never know what you're going to be allowed to bring.
Probably a good call, but those are really good.
Yeah, I know we'll finish this.
And there's our plane. It is getting loaded up with luggage, it looks like. We're boarding in about 5 to 10 minutes. Just landed in Cabo, got our luggage off the baggage claim carousel. Now we are gonna hit the circus, which is the area where you pick up your transportation, or where your transportation picks you up. We set up transportation through our resort, Level8 Palmar. Wish us luck. Thankfully, we found our company that's picking us up. He gave us all the instructions we needed. It was actually not as bad as we remember it being. Carrie and I came here about 10 years ago. It was a bit of a circus trying to just figure out how to get to our hotel, because we didn't have anything set up ahead of time. Now we do. A little smarter this time. Thankfully, we don't have to deal with all the timeshare sharks. We are here at our resort. Such a nice feeling to finally be like here after a long but pretty easy day of travel.
It's kind of crazy because the flight's only about 3 hours, and it felt really short because I didn't even barely finish my movie that I was watching. It's a long day, and we are ready to eat soon.
Yes.
The other thing that takes a long time is you cannot check into a hotel like this in Mexico without being...
If it's a timeshare resort.
We do have a timeshare, but ours is very inexpensive, but we can trade it into almost anything, which is really cool.
Yeah.
Any place like this, you cannot come without being
pressured.
Yes, there it is. Pressured to sign up for a timeshare presentation, and they give you the nicest person possible, and you don't want to say no to them because they're so nice. So yeah, we said yes. We're having a free delicious breakfast tomorrow. We're not getting anything for free because we already paid for all of our excursions.
Yeah.
But we're getting a discount.
Resort-wide discount on anything we buy,
food-wise. $100 off our food, $100 off our drink. And
drinks, hopefully not just one drink.
$100 drink? No, just kidding. And we have a discount on a massage.
Yeah.
But they're really expensive. So
yeah,
we're getting a free breakfast, and she says it's going to take an hour and a half.
We're going to hold them to it. And we'll let you guys know how it goes, but that's going to be tomorrow morning. We'll show you a little bit of the room, but we want to go get some food pretty soon. So the room tour will be very short, but we're staying at Villa del Palmar.
Yes.
here in Cabo San Lucas. We have a kind of ocean view.
We can't quite tell how much the ocean we can see since it's dark.
Yeah.
So the room does seem really nice.
Yeah, it
We're
does.
so excited to be here, and we can't wait to go eat some food too.
Yes. And here are the girls, chilling, relaxing on the couch. How was travel today?
Good, pretty good. I love Mexico so much. Like, I went on a mission trip to Mexico in July. Something about like the sunsets here just like hit different. It just reminds me so much of my mission trip there, which I loved.
The girls have never been to Cabo before. They've been here with us 2 years ago when we came here on a cruise with Disney, but we only saw it from the ship. We didn't get off that time to walk around Cabo because this one was a little bit too young at the time with all the COVID rules they had. But now we're excited to be here with them. I'm gonna walk you guys through a little bit of a room tour. 1 bedroom, deluxe suite. They have 3 resorts connected to each other. It's Villa del Palmar, Villa La Estancia, and then Villa del Arco, I think. So here is our door that we came in on, and right away we go into the master bedroom right here. And there's a nice closet. Looks like, yeah, there's an extra blanket right there in the closet. I know some of you guys who've been watching our channel have asked from time to time, how is the level 8 luggage holding up that we talked about before our cruise on the Wish? It's holding up fantastic. We really, really like this luggage. We'll link the video in the description below where we talk about the luggage and the company Level 8 that provided this for us to review for them. And we've been really, really enjoying the Level 8 luggage that they gave us. So definitely worth checking out. But this is the bed. It's a king size bed. And I love that there are end tables on both sides of the bed. I love having an end table. Bothers me when I don't have one, so I'm glad you get that here. You have a nice big mirror there, a desk, a TV, some drawers for luggage, and we have our very own master bathroom, which is really nice to have. Obviously toilet, nice big shower with glass doors, love that. Got all the normal things here that a bathroom would have. And this is kind of a funny little feature here. You have a window into the hallway of our hotel. So interesting. I'll just say that. Main bathroom that the girls are going to use. And again, nice big glass door shower here. And then you got Carrie here checking out something. Probably where are we going to eat tonight?
Prices for facials.
Ah, that's important.
30% discount.
And here we got our kitchenette with a little small electric stove, microwave, sink, full-size fridge. We got a coffee maker in there. We got a margarita mixer, smoothie maker, blender. It's Mexico, so margarita machine. It's a nice little kitchenette, really basic. All we need though for a week. And here we got a basic closet with a safe, ironing board, iron, all the things you need, extra pillows for the hide-a couch or the hide-a bed. The girls are on, that's where they're gonna sleep. We have a little entertainment center here with more cubes and drawers the girls can use for storage if they want. 4 chairs with a dining table. And then this is our patio out here. There is enough space out here for us to come out here, enjoy breakfast in the morning, and hopefully see the ocean, which we believe is right out there. It's a little dark to see it right now. The ocean is literally, I think, right there. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. I think we might really like this room. They may have an even better option for us tomorrow, but if they don't, I think we're really gonna like this. Not having a pool view with ocean, we may have better view of the ocean here than we would on the pool side. Carrie's getting everything sorted out. We ready for dinner?
Yes.
I'm so hungry.
Let's go get some food.
What kind of food are we gonna eat?
I think Mexican food?
Yeah.
Because, you know, Mexico. We are headed to dinner. I think we nailed down where we're going. It's not Christmas anymore. It's 30th of December, but I love how it's all decorated for Christmas. So fun. Honestly, it's kind of nice to walk around the resort the first day you get here. Helps us just to have a gauge of where everything's at. We love this place so far. We're so glad we're here. Super excited to be here on vacation. This right here is actually a pirate ship that's in the pool. A pirate ship deck. They have a bar here. The restaurant we're going to is just on the other side of it, I think. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to use this pool because it's a different resort. But how cool is that, to have a pirate ship in the middle of your pool? Tonight we're eating at El Patron with an ocean view. Check that out, first of all. Someone has a nice boat out there on the water with lights all around it. Alyssa is just sitting here with the water right in front of her.
So pretty.
You glad we're here?
Yeah.
Glad to be here with you.
Yeah. High five.
High five. How funny would it be if I missed your hand and just did that? Let's get some food.
Yeah.
We just got seated at El Patron. We just put our order in, and whenever you get something in a different country, always good to pay attention to what the price is. And that $869 for that molcajete better be worth it. Kind of kidding. It's in pesos, and I think it translates into about $40 with our conversion app, and then also the discount we got. Alyssa, I think, is getting the coconut shrimp, and Carrie is sticking with a summer salad, but she is also going to be sharing off of all of our plates, which is how we kind of roll sometimes. It's important to ask for bottled water, even though the hotel does say it has purified water.
Let's see how much it costs.
And Lindsay just made a good point. We're not on a cruise ship, so we're definitely not ordering one of everything.
No.
These chips are so good.
Oh, I can't wait to try these chips. That looks incredible. Check that out. There's like some spices on that or something. That looks really, really good. And that little basket of chips lasted all of what?
Maybe 30 seconds.
Yep. Those were so good.
It's like a minute, 2 seconds flat.
Record time. And that salsa's so good. That one's like right there is like a sweet salsa of some kind. I don't know, pineapple or something in there. That one's also really good too.
Pineapple is good.
What'd you get?
A pina colada.
I just had a sip. That's really tasty.
Yeah.
This is one of the best pina coladas I've had in a while. Like, it's very flavorful.
How's your mango margarita?
It's not
Cozumel.
Cosmo, but it's good.
Carrie keeps trying to recreate that mango margarita we got on our cruise early this past spring.
Best margarita I've ever had in my life.
Western Caribbean, Cozumel stop. Such a good margarita there. Hemingway's, that's where it was.
Yes.
I got a house margarita with pineapple in it and a tahini rim. That's not bad, but I think I wish I would have gotten that blended. But it is really good. Never mind, I like mine better than Carrie's. I'm glad I didn't get blended. Blended tends to be a little more watered down flavor margaritas for me. I don't know why.
When we came in, they had a welcome package for us, which is really an invitation, like we said earlier, to participate in the timeshare presentation. But they told us about all the programs and fun things they have going on. And so every night they have a different live dinner show. It's 1,000 pesos, which is about, I think, $60.
50 for us with our discount.
With our discount, it's $50, and it's all inclusive. So that's cool. And different show each night. So tomorrow's more expensive because it's New Year's Eve, and we're not going to do that one. Monday is Pop Stars, and it's an international buffet. Tuesday is Greece, and it's American barbecue buffet. Wednesday, we're going to go to this one. It's the Greatest Showman, and it's a Mediterranean buffet.
And it's not the whole show, but it's like music from the show, and there's performers.
And then Thursday, the Lion King, and it's a seafood buffet. It's a little bit more expensive, but we'll probably go to that one too. And then there's a Michael Jackson, a traditional Mexican, and a tropical. Like, those are all the different shows they have. So there's lots of different fun things. And we're also looking at, there's all kinds of included activities at our resort, tequila tasting. So.
Yeah, and that one is included with our resort. We don't have to pay extra, but we do have to reserve. I remember she said that.
Blackjack and water pong and pickleball.
Oh, and I think included are like paddle boards and things out on the ocean.
And kayaks too. So I'm super excited about that.
Alyssa got her food. She got the coconut shrimp. How is it?
Really good.
It looks amazing. And you gave me a little bit. It was really tasty too. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah. As long as you share some of your molcajete, it looks really good.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to show next. Lindsay and I got the molcajete bowl, which has shrimp, cheese. I think that's chorizo, bacon wrapped chicken, cactus, and steak. That looks amazing. We also got rice and guacamole with it, with some tortillas. Carrie got a summer salad. As usual, I put the camera on her when she has a mouthful of food.
It has this really yummy fresh cheese on it. So good.
We just finished dinner and we're about to head out, but that moon and that reflection on the water, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful here. How was dinner?
It was nice. I really liked it.
Really nice setting, right on the water. It was a little on the pricey side, but that's something we'll have to figure out and get used to like get used to all the differences of pesos and all of that stuff. On top of our building, along with all these Christmas decorations that I showed you earlier, it says Happy 2024. They are getting ready for the new year. So fun. Now we are going to head into the little market, little grocery store they have here on property. I'm not sure what you call, Palmita Market. Well, that's where we're going. We're looking at all the pastries right now. They have macarons, they got flan, fruit tarts, little pies and brownies and cakes and pies and all sorts of things. Tiramisu cake, oh man. All of this looks really good. Looks like they have rice pudding over there. I wonder what that is. That looks like a pyramid of chocolate and almonds. Over here they have like pastries, some cinnamon rolls back there. They even have banana bread and a donut right there. We're hoping in the morning time that they have a lot more options, and I'm pretty sure they will. Still exploring. Carrie is looking at the market area here. Aw, Sargento.
There's a special meaning behind that.
There is.
What is?
I know where that comes from.
Yes, you do.
So they have all of the normal things you might buy at a like market. They also have some things here, since we're in Mexico, that you would only really find here, which is really fun. And they have a Yoplait pina colada yogurt drink. That sounds fun. And we're in Mexico, so of course they have Mexican vanilla extract, which is really, really good. They have a whole bunch of other things here. They have sodas, they have beer, just a bunch of options that you just would need if you want to just have a few things in your room ready to go. Carrie's got us a bottle of water for the room, and the hotel advertises that they use purified water, and they have their own purification plant.
What kind of gelato?
Whoa,
know, but
Lindsay
it's like
just ran up and said they have something. They have gelato?
Like, yeah, out there.
Yeah.
Ooh, outside?
We have pineapple
Ooh.
Fanta. Pineapple Fanta.
Pineapple Fanta.
We should get one.
Fanta.
We should get one.
Oh, I see that.
How about we get the grape Fanta?
Carrie's gonna get a few Manzanita Souls, which are like apple soda. So good.
Sin azúcar, without sugar. That means without sugar.
I think it's saying azúcar, which is sugar, is a sin.
Never.
Hey, habla español.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, Goober. I used to love this stuff when I was a kid. They have clothes, they have thermos cups, mugs, a whole bunch of stuff. Really almost anything you would need right here on property. That's really nice. The girls are freaking out. They're really wanting me to come check out all this. Oh my gosh.
That looks so good, doesn't it?
The gelato. It looks like little candy apples all over the place.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome.
Oh my goodness. Good find, Linz. We are in what they call Villas Plaza, and they have the market over there, and right next to it is this ice cream shop. I don't know if this is ice cream or gelato. I don't really care. This looks like a tough decision.
Yes.
I got strawberry cheesecake. Carrie, what'd you get?
Cookie dough.
Oh yeah. Alyssa also got strawberry cheesecake, and Lindsay got mint chip. Look at everyone sharing. So far, we are really, really enjoying our time here, and we've only been here for a few hours. So I think we picked a really good resort to hang out at for the week. And the weather here is so nice compared to home. We made it back into the room. We enjoyed a little bit of a walk after dinner around the property and got some ice cream. Really feeling like vacation started.
Yes. I'm so excited to be here. It's just so beautiful and the weather feels so good.
Yeah.
I am tired and ready for bed.
Yes.
I do have to point out, Chris got me an awesome present for Christmas. It is this 3-in-1 portable magnetic charger. And
It's magnetic for like an iPhone, like MagSafe.
Yeah, I am really excited. I just got it set up, and it's like the best way to just charge everything. You don't have to bring your charger with you because you have this one awesome charger. So I'm super excited.
we have really nice chargers at home next to our bed. They're like MagSafe for our watch, our AirPod case, and our phones. There are some like it out there in the market that are like $80, $100
Oh, wow.
more. These were really good price. I think these were around $40 or $50.
Oh, I didn't know how much you spent
yeah,
on my gift.
Sorry. I think I got it for around $40 on sale.
Well, here's the thing about me. I usually say, if I have something that works, I don't want something else. But I saw him bring this on a trip, and it folds up into this tiny little thing, and I'm like, I need one of those.
Yeah.
And it's so awesome. I'm excited.
I think we'll probably pick the camera up tomorrow for our second video, capture a little bit of our timeshare presentation experience. We're not going to record while we're in it because that would be weird and rude and awkward.
Although maybe it would help us get out of it faster.
That's a good point.
Pick up the camera and be like, pointing it at his face as he's talking, or she.
But we are having breakfast around 9 o'clock in the morning, so we need to get to bed. Thanks for coming along with us.
Yeah.
Thanks for sharing our travel day with us. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve, which is exciting, and they have like a drone show and maybe fireworks, so that'll be exciting.
We are looking forward to this great vacation. Thanks for coming along with us, and thank you for watching this time. We'll see you again next time.
See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.